Hi guys, Ben from Flow Brackets again. Now, a lot of people have been asking how to install our bracket onto the rear. I know that we've been missing this video. This customer already has a bracket, so what we're gonna do is take it off to show you how it did go on in the first place. So as you can see, there are two speed clips on the back of this car that take a M6 bolt. Any one of our brackets will go into that. So if you've got a Euro bracket, for example, or Euro plates to go on, you can choose any one of those slots to mount to. If you had standard size plates, you could also go to that as well. Or if you had Heritage or Signature, they will also bolt onto that hole. And that's how our brackets work on the back of an i30 N line, as well as the N Performance. Now you might be asking yourself, why do I need a bracket for the rear of my car? There are a few things to note. First, by having a bracket stand off your number plate off the rear bumper, it protects the paint or the plastic from getting damaged or scratched. And second of all, it fits with our line of accessories that are part of our ecosystem. So if you wish to get security screws to fit into the bracket, as well as a bracket that's compatible with covers, you can add that to this bracket and system. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.